Greetings, brothers. I just wanted to give a quick instructional video on cinctures. There are two types of cinctures that we basically use. We have this one here, kind of looks like a rope type thing. This is more like a monastic type cincture. Then we have a more, fancier looking cincture. At the seminary, the majority of the cinctures you'll see is this, but these are fine. I love these. Now, this monastic looking one, they are tied the same exact way, okay? So what you do is even them out, okay, on the ends, wrap them around your waist, okay? When you have them like this, make a loop, okay? And then reach through the loop so that you have this here that looks like that, and then slide this in inside that little loop and tighten it up. Okay, now for the monastic ones, you just slide these over to the right. Okay, you see that? I'll demonstrate one more time. Okay, and again, to release them, just loosen up the loop. Boom. All right, so you put that around your waist. Okay, bring this over. All right, you see, and then reach down. So you have that. Okay, that clear? And then slide this into that little loop and tighten it up. Okay, monastic cinctures will go to the right, okay? And obviously you can fix that up if you like. All right, simple enough, right? Now when you put that on your alb, please make sure, see how it's all kind of bagged up there? On your alb, just square it off. All right, make sure you look neat. People that look neat, it shows authority. See how the difference there? Okay. All right, so let me show you on the other. The knot is exactly the same, but there are a couple of differences. Okay, again, level them off, wrap them around your waist. Again, make that loop, like so, okay? Slide this in, tighten it up. Tighten it up to however tight you want it, okay? So see how that looks, okay? And take these two, bring them around the sides, up, and then bring that over, see? Again, bring it up, reach down, grab the tassel, and it should look like it. This one happens to be super short. This is actually a altar server's one. The ones that we normally have is probably another foot or so long. You see, it's kind of short there. And then just neaten that up. And again, neaten up your alb, square it off. Okay, square it off. You want to look neat. When you look neat, people see authority. Okay. All right. So, and then to remove it, just slide those loops out. Boop, see? Simple enough, right? So it's the same exact knot. So it's the two types of cinctures, but it's the same knot. This is a what? Stole, right? Priests normally will wear it like so. This happens to be a deacon's one. So a priest one would not have this center piece of material, right? But what deacons do is, the ones that have a cross like that, get into the habit of kissing the cross. Now it goes from your left shoulder to your right, okay? Left shoulder to the right. The cross is at the top of your shoulder, okay? I've heard people have said, well, why is it deacons wear diagonal, priests over both shoulders? someone told me this, I don't know if this is 100% true, but it sounded good to me, is the priests carry the burden of the church on both shoulders. A deacon, most of the time, we're married, and we have secular jobs. If you're not married, you usually have a secular type job. So you have the burden of the church on one shoulder, and the burden of your family and your secular life and job on the other. Made sense to me. So again, I don't know if that's the actual truth, but it does make sense to me. All right. Any questions? Let me know. God bless you.